Fabletics is the world's largest digitally native activewear brand. We serve millions of customers across North America and Europe. Because our model is built around membership and community, customer service isn't just a function, it's a promise we make to every member. Our customer service team deals with a huge range of inquiries, such as cancellations, refunds, deliveries, returns, reships. And during launches or promotions, we saw spikes in volumes and our customer service representatives were overloaded. The old automation that we had just couldn't handle all of the complexity involved in the way that our business worked. So we went out to find the best technology to support our goals. The key for us was that the AI should be able to both genuinely improve the experience and also increase efficiency, both within a short time frame. And that was the beginning of our journey with Cognigy. One advantage of applying AI in customer service is that everything becomes measurable. And then the results that we saw were immediately evident. The agent has consistently delivered quality on par or above of our human operations. What really sets this apart is the underlying concept. Autonomous AI agents that understand what a member needs, choose the right actions, and then safely execute them across our systems. That is the foundation behind the results that we're seeing. In addition, the AI agents and our customer services team work together. AI takes on the repeatable, policy-heavy tasks, and our customer service reps focus on the areas where human judgment, care, expertise matter most. Most importantly, our members benefit from faster resolutions, higher satisfaction, and ultimately, that is us delivering on the experience and strengthening our relationships that drives our business forward. And we're confident we can build on this success and continue to raise the bar for customer experience here at Fabletics.